Hey guys, thanks for joining today's session. In today's session, we'll take you through the Power BI desktop navigation, and then we'll help you first of all how to download and install Power BI desktop, and then we'll take you through the navigation part of Power BI desktop, and then we will jump into how to connect to various data sources. So how do we connect to various data? So these are the data sources, right? So the connecting to CSV files, connecting how to connect to SQL server, how to connect to OData, and how to connect to how to bring in the data from your web page or any web page, and how do we connect to the Dataverse, which is on cloud, and Power BI dataset files, and then Python, all these source system, how we can extract the data, that we will take a look at it. Okay, how we can, so we'll take a look at it. First of all, let's start with how to connect to the data sets, CSV files, or CSV files are called as comma separated value files. It is also called as a flat files. Okay, first we'll take a look at how we can connect to this one, and then we will jump into the next part.